Our target sound is R, as in rat. We're going to start off with our key sentence. Remember, a key sentence is a sentence that contains all the common spellings for that sound. So this one will have the most common spellings for our sound R. The merry rat is writing. R. Merry. Merry means jolly, lighthearted. R. Rat. R. Right. R. 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 Really? Carry. Wrote. Now I'm going to give you some words. Let's remember the R sound can be spelled with one letter, like R, or two letters, like when WR come together and RR come together. It's really important to remember the most common spelling is going to just be that one letter R, like you guys already know. Here's some words. Really listen for the R sounds and then look how they're spelled, okay? Presents. Party. Carry. Narrow. Wreath. Wrinkly. Writing. Wrist. Rectangle. Jar. Car. Farm.